Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is coming out for a blogger that she said was talking about her. She's saying that she was unable to show her house when she was in Woodland Village, but she's refuting that to say that she showed her place. She showed her kitchen, her living room, her bedroom, and wherever she said that basically, you know, she allowed her audience to see what was going on in her house, her table, when she was dining, and everything. So, this blogger, she said, is talking a bunch of stuff about her, and she's giving it to him. She's really going out at him. She's not really as much as angry. She's just, you know, replying to him, to the things that he was saying, and but she still giving it to him. As we know, Marcia is a feisty girl. you know, she's a feisty girl, and she will answer. So that's what she's doing, and you guys can go and catch the video to see what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. As always, lovelies, do yourself this and have yourself a wonderful day now.
Remember say a welfare me depend. So me not pay nothing government to take care of me. Them pay me insurance, them buy me gas, then buy me food, then buy me everything, then buy me drawers and then buy me clothes. So then can't sleep either. Cause if me not shit, them no rascal name. That is what it is. Me over YouTube. Me did over YouTube earlier before. Cause when my cousin was like, go read some comment over there. So me go up on one page and read some comment. And me just look on this pussy hole and me I say, this little batty boy, a long time me not even see you. I don't even see you. A long time me I watch me. I me know say me pussy you want. And big head sink down neck boy, you can never get some pussy. And without me, you're the blood clot channel would know be what it is. So me see him over there chat me. So me just address some issues. So him say how him see me when me over by Woodland Village, me not show my house. Me show the whole of my house over Woodland Village. When me in my room and my cat them a play, me show the whole of my room, dresser, close pan door, every fucking thing. You is a obituary pussy ass liar boy. A content see a look. When me over Woodland Village, the whole of my living room shown. When me ready, me go in my dining room and show my table with how much food pan it and decoration. A lie you a fucking tell. A content see a look. So I'm over there talk about said when about much months, 3-4 months now. Because I know say I pay 8 to spend that. Him say when you look at my lips them stay bad. And me want to know what happened to my lips. I winter now. Me live in a United States of America. Me want to know what happened to them a sexy lips here. And also me come in a bathroom and him look at my hand. And the whole of my hand black and blue. Him see my hand them black and blue, and me have a ball under my armpit. Everybody with fat have a fatty tissue. Even maga people have a little fatty tissue right there so under them armpit. Yes, me have it. What you need to do, you need to come take your mouth and suck out the fat and go give it to your blood clot daughter. And that you need to go do. So me want to know which part by my hand you see black and blue. Which part by my hand you see blacky. The only thing black is your dirty, rusty, parasite dick we have under your foot. And that's the only thing black. And your stinking ugly self are that black. Because I don't know which part you ever see me with black and blue hand. And me have an armpit fat on the armpit or whatever. Yes, of course. Every fat people. A lot of us have fat on the armpit. Just like your dirty girl when I want you. Go look under for your foot and see the big boss underneath it. And that if you go look, attention, you look, I'm going to gain attention a long time, I'm going to count you. The only thing left is for you to push up your me tell you already, you know, use the pad on another woman, the pussy. That is what you is. You're a pussy watcher. That's all you is. You're nobody. Yes, nobody. If me no shit in a name. Every single day you come from my watch me. You can't stop watch me. You're obsessed with me. Anybody obsessed, nobody you're obsessed. You can't stop me. So me say, anywhere me they pay for, and my business. No worry about me and what me pay for. No worry about nothing. Because me not worry about you. Me not count you. I don't care if your name blood clot dark shit. I don't care if you sleep in a blood clot river stand dumpster. Or sewer pipe. I don't give a shit where you want to sleep. As long as me nice and comfortable, your blood clot can't go in nowhere. You can't go in no fucking hotel in Jamaica. You can't go nowhere. The only thing you can go in not even a back road, you can't go in and go fuck one girl. You have to go in a piece of old car. So if you can't afford it, don't come chat shit on nobody as well. My life is not your life. None of your fucking dirty, stinking, pussy supporters, dirty bitches, them we have over your page. It's just simple as that. Me don't know how no hope in my fucking life. I mean, hope in a phone. Me don't know no. I don't know who no. When you come on social media, come over my fucking page and watch me. When you look at dirty, whoring bitch ass girl. When you can't chat nobody, when you can't do what me do. Me and one is not the same. No for one right now, I itch up and down the mama blood clot. When sister, when you don't even have a proper place. A 2 fucking bed me having a this pussy clot. And I'm me alone in this. Someone right now, all right down same place in America, I sleep on blood clot sponge ground. And in a family in a blood clot couch, uncomfortable. In a one like a blood clot place. And who know a chat. Fuck you my ears all. When you can't chat about it. If I don't want to get a place, I don't want to get no place. Where do? Push me. Come take me up and carry me things that go to one place now. Pussy old boy and dirty rascal, dirty followers them over there. Come take me up. Come take me up and carry me go put me in one place. Go and go get it. You make sure say when you make sure say any blood clot place here, give me make sure say it costs $2,000. And make sure say in one blood clot nice white neighborhood. Because as long as God blow breath in me blood clot Marcia and I live in no black neighborhood. So if you come and come put me in it. You don't have no place for bring up that argument there. The dirty pussy old boy don't have nowhere for himself and a chat people. Him fucking mama. Him fucking thief in shoplift mama. Blood clot house you live in a Jamaica. Don't have deported blood clot dirty boy. Where your face look like a blood clot bulldog. You see black and blue on my hand? When you see me going to bathroom go bathe? You know, see you fucking can't see. You need to go to a doctor, get one blood clot, new glasses, bitch ass boy. You know, see that you need to do. You know, see you need to go get one blood clot glass. You know, see you need to get one glass. You see you can't blood clot, see. Which part for me, you see black and blue hand? Which part for me? Which part for me? Right, so you see black and blue hand. Of course, me have my fat on my armpit. Me have it. Me have it. Me have it. Come suck it out with your mouth. Because you're a surgeon. You're a pussy licking surgeon and a armpit licking surgeon. When the pussy dirty, a doctor if you come do. Which way you see black and blue on my hand? Where you see? Where you see black and blue on my hand? Eh? Where you see black and blue on my hand? Where you see black and blue on it? Where do you see black and blue on my hand? For sure, the dirty boy. A mama man, a watch fat. Go look on your blood clot dirty pussy all supporters them over there chat. All them pussy big and swell up like a blood clot bullfrog. Go look on them. Go tell themselves, go strip themselves and look on for them armpit and look. You show me all watch big Hollywood stars. A red walk carpet. I miss see them fat on them armpit. I wouldn't have fat on them armpit. That ain't anything to talk about. Go talk about your blood clot teeth in shoplift, Mama England. When you live now where England good. That England I walk like a blood clot slave. I can't afford it. And you live in a blood clot, Mama, you know that for yourself. What you have? Every time when you look a pussy old boy, big batty boy at Jamaica watch woman. You see me come and show me also over Woodland Village one time, you get up and start show bed. We look up piece of ugly bed we look like a blood clot Satan, senior crawl up in a blood clot bedded. And you come and show about say, oh, me a show hotel room and me never show my bed yet. Who never show my bed? Who never show my room yet? Then go watch my video them and see if you see my room. Go watch my living room and see how much time me show my living room. And show them on social media blogger don't show who know. Me are the only person. Me are the only person used to come on social media and show my place before anybody start show them place. Me not ask you. Me are one of the only blogger who used to come and show. I'm the first person start the live in my bedroom. Oh, look how much time me show my full bed and show my bedroom when me spread up my nice sheet and show everything. Use a liar pussy hole. A content here look. Every day you over there, sit down and wait for the woman and you have to take off her dirty drawers so you can't go lick out that blood clot. That's all you can talk about. Every day you sit down and wait for the dirty shit up drawers them where she poop in her. For you go smell them because you're a pussy watcher. That's all it is. Who gives a fuck if she want take whoop on vacation? People can't come, let me make it clear. People can't come on social media and dash out US dollar and count out US dollar. They must know where they get it from. People can't come and go out with anything. Me not paying a restitution, boy. She must know the reason why she can't carry 12 people go to Somali Island on her birthday and ish note 6,000 hard worth of US dollar and dash it out. I see a cape money, not a blood clot cape money, a charity pussy clot money that. Only God could have come heaven and tell me that. Nobody in a bomber clot idiot back here. She can't fool you and fool her audience. She can't blood clot fool me. Any money me dash out of mine. You can't fucking stay there. She have to carry them. Because them know all her secret from head to pussy clot to everybody where she pick. You should have tell her if you can carry a blood clot man. When you want to come over there, can compare. And that's if you can do. You think nobody an idiot around here? I don't think nobody can fool me. She can't fool who, no, she can't fool me. I mean, I want to talk about she. But you over there compare and talk about so she this and she that. And she spend money to carry people and me, make people buy for them own. Yeah, realistically, that is it. The people have to buy for them own. I'm not paying no restitution money. I'm not paying out no extortion money. I am not paying no hush puppy blood clot money. Everybody where she carry go a trick, they know her business. So she have to carry them. She have to carry them. Nobody is not idiot. Nobody is not no fool. When you can't go up on social media rejoice so and I call up my name and I compare because I make a little statement. Then Marcia look like a rass idiot. Eh? Then Marcia look like an idiot. Some of the pussy all up on social media. One of the America live like a blood clot dog. One of the America live like a blood clot dog. One can't live like me. A jealous on a blood clot, jealous on a bitch ass girl with a pan page right up and a fuckery. And a chat fuck about welfare. It's because uno get welfare, me not talk about welfare. It's because uno can't do what me do, that's why uno fucking talk about welfare. But a welfare I pay for this. Welfare I pay for what? Are your blood clot man I pay for this bitch ass place? You dirty pussy clot man. You dead dick blood clot man. On a dirty blood clot girl over YouTube and MPH. I want to fucking man a pay for this and I don't have to fuck him. Him a pay for this blood clot. No welfare not pay for this. No bumbo clot husband and no man a pay for this. Pussy clot. And if you want to see a welfare pay it, your blood clot tax dollar pay for it then. Idiot. I think, okay, I don't lie me I tell. I keep married them things that people are idiot. It thinks that people are idiot. But a brag and a boss so she pay for people and pay for what? Pay for what? Not her money. Not her money, honey. You mean say the money we she collect from Miss Richie and put it down. The money we she collect in a charity. Blood clot cake way. The money we she collect from Miss Richie. And her friend them and people send it down. And she have those US dollar. I would change out so much blood clot US dollar. Figure care with people. Me and a blood clot idiot. You could change out so much US dollar for a US currency and how much exchange by exchange. You know how much money that? 6,500. At 6,500 she give away. We don't know how much you get to the pastor man. I should not know how much. So you can stay there. What kind of cake money? She make no what for fucking money figure in a US dollar in a cake. Who you think you're talking to? Eh? Who she can't fool? Not me. That girl not spend none of her money for carrying nobody no way. A hush money she a put. You see your Paula act like a Dan. Paula know all her business from A to Z. You have to kiss Paula ass. You know, so she have to give Paula $1,000 and give everybody else 500. Yes, and Paula not even pleased. You know, see how when she talk to Paula, she have to, Paula, it's like she kissing Paula ass. The whole of them did their original. Them have them little weird how them sell cake and something and do whatever they want to do. And do it. The whole of them original, the whole of them collect money from people are foreign. Nobody can pop no style for me. You think nobody can fool me? And because I'm wiser than a blood clot boy, I don't know. Come and talking about, here one of them now, why she not got her family? She pretend like her family them love her. Me not have to pretend like my family them love. My family them love me. I can't go my family them anytime. I can't walk out of this blood clot here and go my family them anytime I want to go my family. Why should I go to my family? Me never, for what? Me never know some me a pitney. I never